Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the crashing Black Ops 6 0x0001 error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam, right click on Steam, hit run as an administrator, and then open up Steam this way. Once Steam is open, you can go over to library and start up Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second solution you guys can do is on Steam as well, under library, right click on Black Ops 6, hit properties. From here, go over to installed files. Now from installed files, you want to click on verify integrity of game files. And once this is done verifying, you can again open up Black Ops 6 and you can check to see if the issue has been fixed. The third method you guys can do is simply restart your Wi-Fi router and then restart your PC right after. And in order to restart your Wi-Fi router, all you have to do is just unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, and then once those 30 seconds are over, you can go ahead and plug it back in, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. And I do recommend restarting your PC right after as well. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.